we hold and we prepare the Roman Missal. Next, the Turibol. The Turibol. Diba nawala yung concentration? Okay. 2 or 3 is okay. Okay? 2 or 3 as long as maganda po yung pagkaka-burn nung charcoal. Para ka lang nagpa-barbecue. Diba? Pag maganda yung charcoal, maganda yung luto ng barbecue. So, ganoon din po yun. If maganda yung pag-burn natin ng charcoal, maganda rin yung lalabas na usok sa incense, sa Turibol. Okay. Ano nga po uli yung meaning ng incense? Ako, baka nakalimutan na natin kanina.
Frankincense.
Diba? It symbolizes the prayer that rises up to heaven. Right? What else? Why do we incense the congregation? Why do we incense the priest? Why do we incense the altar? Why do we incense the cross? Because it is a representation of Christ. Diba? It is the presence of Christ. Okay. Next. Candle. How do you properly hold a candle? Two ways. It's either you hold it like that, or you hold it like that. It's either you hold it like that, just be careful pag nagbow, or what does the candle symbolize? Symbolize the light of Christ. Okay. So, pag lumalakad tayo holding the candle during the entrance procession, if we are doing it prayerfully, parang in your heart and in your mind, Lord, may you dispel the darkness from them, that they may see your light. Diba? Parang we give meaning to what we are doing. Kasi that's the thing that we can give dignity and reverence to our service. Next, cross. How do we hold the cross? How do we hold the cross? So the right hand on top of the shaft, the left hand supports. Ay! Baliktad. Okay. Okay? So ganyan po natin hawakan yung cross.
Oo,
Not too high.
Rifle, parang rifle.
Kasi baka naman mamaya nadapa ka na. Huwag kayo. What else? Ano pa ba yung gamit natin? The boat. The boat. The boat goes with the incense, di ba? And then sometimes the boat is tasked to do the bell. Okay. The boat, for example, this is the boat. During entrance procession, how should you hold the boat?
Sinabi na niya yun last time.
How?
Traditional.
If you're only holding the boat, you hold the boat, and then your other hand, hindi pa rin nagdadangal. Always put it on your chest.
Who asked the question before you, right? Ikaw yung nagtanong last time. Kasi
Also, meron tayong tinatawag na cadence. Ano yung cadence? Yung pag naglakad tayo, we see to it na parang almost at the same pace. Hindi pwedeng yung candle nakadikit na halos dun sa cross, tas napakalayo nung may hawak ng incense. Diba? We practice how we walk. I remember, during my time, iniikot namin ang simbahan para ma-practice lang yung paglalakad. And if you are serving in a cathedral parish, may sway pa yan.
Wow, may swing.
ang ganda panoorin. Ang ganda panoorin pagka gano'n.
But we don't need that as long as yung
As yung
pacing
gumagano.
natin halos sabay-sabay. And then when we process reverently, prayerfully, and with a dignified mind.
May count kasi yan. Pag ano yung dapat kayo?
What else? What else do we use in the Mass?
Bell.
The bell.
Bell.
Yung bell po, di ba sabi ko nga, the very basic we have the bell is to give signal. So, other parishes are using gong. Other parishes are using the usual bell. Other parishes are using yung parang
Parang, ano ba tawag nun? Chime? Wind chime?
parang yung four bell.
Yes,
Yeah.
Right? So, as long as you know when are you going to ring those bells? When do we ring the bell?
Entrance.
Entrance. What else?
After the Lamb of God.
Gloria, yes, sometimes we ring the bell. What else? During the consecration. And sometimes we ring the bell also during communion. Parang to signal lang the congregation. Stand up and queue.
Tayo before, man before.
What else? Cruets. Cruets. How do we properly give the cruets to the priest?
Chuhan.
Diba? If there's a handle, the handle should be facing the priest.
Yes.
Pero how you do it? Always remember, we always give by our right hand
Right hand.
and we receive by our left hand. We give by the right, we receive by the left. For example, this is the wine, this is the water. Ate lang. So I will give the wine, move the water on the side,
Kasi
Dala.
isa lang siya. Isa lang yung server. Sa atin kasi
Dalawa.
back here.
Ang tanya pag isa lang yung
That's how you
Kaya
properly
na
do
yan,
it.
kaya. Matangantado talaga kayo. Si TV lang ako.
Pag dalawa ang server,
Tingnan niyo natin siya lang. Dalawang server.
okay lang naman din. Pero mas hindi crowded tignan yung altar kung hawak lang ng isa. I mean, sabi ko nga, we're not changing, but at least you know the basic.
Okay.
Okay? So, still, kahit na dalawa kayong server, you still hand with your right, and then you receive by your left. It is a number one rule. We always hand to the priest with the right, and then we receive with the left. Turibol, how do we give to the priest?
Turibol, ganun tayo magbigay. Oo.
Yung iba, yung ganun.
Turibol. How do we hold it? Diba, when going to the altar, nakaganito tayo. Diba, we're holding on to this. if you're not confident enough to do this, you hold it with this.
Yes.
How do you hand it to the priest? You just give it like that?
No.
How?
Hold with the two hands.
You show. Si Sis Heidi. Eh, si Father.
Yes, si Father.
Bibigay lang. Open.
Ibibigay lang.
Ito po yung proper way on how we give.
Two hands.
Two hands.
We have it here. On the right hand. We switch it to the left. We hand it to the
To the right. Yes.
Baliktad. Yeah. Right, left. Depende po sa position. Kung dito sa kabila, tama yun yung ganito.
So we hold it.
Ako ganun.
We hold it.
We hold two hands.
Right?
Right.
I need to do like that.
Yes.
Pwede, ganun. Oo.
Hold.
Bahala ka na, Father!
Di ba dati nung kay Father Vince dito, ito yung hinahawakan natin yung handle kasi dito hawak si Father sa ano.
Depende kasi sa parang style niya. Parang si ano sa Arabia. Inilipat ko lang pag nagganon na naman yung cross.
Kasi kamay niya, si Father Tran.
Oo, si Father.
Si Father Tran ganyan na, dapat ibigay mo na
Bigay mo ganyan. Kaya nga, ganun nga pagbigay
Si
mo.
Father Francis na ganyan dapat na mag-ano. Pinapaupan pa ako nitong tabi.
Anot, can you show?
Bukit mo.
Okay, so Anot will show.
Sabi ni Father Francis, sige ako yung Father.
Okay, so the whites on the right.
Nakaharap, yes. Nakaharap pa rin.
Nakaharap sa pare.
The handle facing to the priest. Kasi pag, so, practical.
It's easier to get